Hello folks, I'm Isael with Cary Tree Removal, and today we're taking some trees down in this property. But due to this big hump, we have a crane schedule and it can go through here because this big hump. The crane is about 40 foot long or 50, and so due to that big hump we can't get a crane down in here, and well, we have no choice but to take these trees down by hand. And so that's what we're doing. We have enough space to set up the crane, but we can't get the crane to come down through here, which is, sometimes once we bid the jobs, we have to make sure access to a crane, and since we have no choice, this is what we're doing today. Alright, well, thank you for watching. If you guys need a service, please call 919-771-8021.